when I throw it up. Start twerking like.
Welcome back to the program. Danny B and I are on location at Fossil Rocks, showcasing a 10-gate run of these new, to-be-released RCMCCA hardbody, legal, and specific kits. These are designed to max out the rule set, maximize performance of that rule set, and give these customers, you, as much of an advantage as possible if you choose to compete in that class. Now, RCMCCA, for those of you who don't know, is a nationwide rule set that most, if not all, clubs follow. So these are useful everywhere, for everybody, if you decide. Very, very, very versatile kits. They allow a lot of flexibility to customize, a lot of flexibility to set up how you see fit. As you'll see here in the end of the video when I kind of go over each truck, Danny's and mine are very different from each other. So again, lots of flexibility in how you want to put these together. They work super good. Angled skid, lots of clearance. For those of you who aren't aware, RCMCCA hardbody is literally just a RCMCCA Class 2 truck with a 57 millimeter tire limit and hardbody limitations. So again, these are designed to max out that rule set. How awesome. Super proud to be a part of this collaboration with Danny and Eric. It's been going on for a quick minute, that's for sure. And to actually have these in hand and testing and driving them. Oh, dude, these things are so gangster. I mean, look at them. Like, how cool. Even just, all bullshit. How cool are these, right? I've never really been much of a hard body-ish person, but they have grown on me pretty heavy recently. So this is exciting. I chose the Jeep route in this OD green that I have painted up. This truck, this is Sergeant D. And if you're not familiar, do a little YouTube search of Sergeant D. Listen to that tune. That'll tell you exactly what this machine is all about. Danny chose the Bronco, which is super bitchin'. Lots of scale detail. What a gorgeous thing. It really, really is. Oh, yes, look at that. Luis tires on both trucks. Just killing it out here. Again, super grateful. Look at that lineup. I am super grateful. Danny is super grateful. Look at this Bronco. Look at how cool it is. Like, you want to be the coolest dude on the table? You got to have one of these. I promise you. It's so good. These things are so good. Just watch the runs. Watch them move. Yes. Also, you'll notice at Fossil Rocks, it is literally all Cliffside Crawling. Yep. 3D printed hardbody trucks. Cliffside, 4.5 to 5 feet up.
Yes.
Yeah, we're crazy.
Come on.
But look at what's happening. Oh, it's so good. Come on, Danny. Get that over there, boy. Bum, 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 bum. Make it suspenseful and flex it out. Oh. Love it. That's that shit. I really, really, really like that spot. Also, I needed to tell people, those of you who have been watching my channel, who have been giving my shorts so much attention and love, thank you. You guys are absolute rock stars. The numbers on those for the last 4 days have been incredible, way above what's normal. So either A, you like what I'm doing, or B, you're finally seeing what I'm doing. Either way, I'm so thankful. Thank you guys. Absolute rock stars you are. Please keep it up. But that brings a point. When you're trying to do this and you're trying to look at it's what's working and what's not working, you start to look at the analytics. My God, they're shocking. We were talking about this not too long ago. Brody, you know what's up. YouTube analytics are shocking. How many people are watching my stuff that are not subscribed? Why aren't you subscribed? Look at what's happening. Now are you not subbing to this? This is bitching. Flexing out, looking dope show. Oh. Sub. Shoot. Look at that. Look. There's no excuse not to sub. Guilt trip time, ladies and gentlemen. Guilt trip time. Fucking dope. God dang it. Look. This. Ugh. So, one of the things that I have to do is get off of this daggum cell phone for the camera. You see that little goofy deal right there? This camera does glitch out. Terrible. I need to do something different and better. And now you see Danny is a victim of the mulch. Poor guy.
Had to do a little backup too from the loose.
Had to do the backup. Otherwise, it'd have been super clean if you'd have been able to make the turn up. But the mulch was in the way, screwing shit up. What are you gonna do,
sir?
Now, as of the release of this video, we've comped these trucks twice now, and tomorrow we'll be at Narnia with them for a bit of a night crawl, weather permitting, and we're going to look to dominate that deal too. Just saying. I don't want to ruin too much of this with a lot of talk, and I just want you guys to watch and look and now crave. I want you to crave these kits. Like, oh, I have to have one. Yes, you have to have one. They're going to be a limited run, so there's no hemming and hawing. As soon as this drop is announced, y'all need to be on that Etsy. They're going to be reasonably priced. You get a badass setup with accessories. You'll notice, that we're all bungeed up and beds full of gear just in case, we get thirsty or hungry or we need to fix some shit. Yeah. We got toolboxes and coolers and even kayaks. Yes, sir. Yes, look at that. Look at that. Come on, Danny. That's right. So, drop some comments. Let's get some engagement going. What do you think of this spot, Fossil Rocks? I really dig it. It is a high risk, high reward kind of place. If you screw the pooch and drop your rig, guess what? It's going to cost you parts. However,
That's good work, sir.
Look at it. This spot. Oh my goodness. We're going to have... Watch this. I don't even want to talk through it because, man. But look at it. This is gate 9 and 10. That's right. Hug the wall. Pull it in. Come on, Sarge. Yes. Speaking of, look at those damn beadlock rings. Shout out to Angry Squirrel RC for those beadlock rings. He does also limited drops, but all the baddest rigs in the country are literally running his rings. They are the best. Yes. Oh, look at you, little guy. Come on. Unfortunately, I had a bad drop and set it right on the pumpkin. and then, hold it. Wait for it. Oh, Oh, son of a bitch. Self-riding. Oh boy. Pull the ledge. Clear gate 10. Dunzo. All right, come on, Danny. Bring that Bronco down, buddy. Bring that Bronco down. He does it way better than I did. It looks so good. Look at that thing. Photogenic as fuck. Come on, buddy. Yes. Come on. Look at that thing. Look. Also, huge shout out while we're on the topic. Huge shout out to BKTT. We run their ESCs and motors in most of our stuff. These particular trucks are running Mofo motors. Mofo Nano Beast XL. Nano Bam XL, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's the same spot.
Here's our bloopers. Yeah, to say that stuff didn't fall over a couple times would be a bit of a lie. Stuff did fall over a couple of times. If you made it this far into the video, you get to see some screw-ups, which you normally don't see. Yes. Come on. All right, so speaking of the shout-outs, we got LGRP for the transmission and wheels in Danny's truck. OGRC for the axles. Mias for the axles in my truck. Angry Squirrel for my beadlock rings of badassery. Yeah,
got the
those
camera,
things
man.
unlock like 10 points of driver mod no matter what. Who else are we shouting out? Us. Garage 732 for the bungees.
Twice.
exlewis for the super badass kits. Dude, they absolutely kill. We love these things so much.
With a windshield, even. So Danny's rig, translucent red chassis, hot racing shocks, Jora links, OGRC Super 5 axle set, Jora servo, Mofo Nano Beast for power, little guy MR24 trans, and then of course Big Kid Tiny Truck on the ESC. Faithfully featuring Luis RC mallets on LGRP wheels. Formidable combo, as you've seen in the video. This thing does really well. Speaking of, as much as you can possibly do, look at that little light gap right there. That's honestly like a fat credit card. No joke. A little flipperoonie. Gladiator wheelbase. Endura drive shafts. Desperately in need of something. Coming soon, I'm sure. But overall, this is the guts of the exlewis hardbody RCMCCA class, out of the box, absolute shredder. And now we have this guy, same backs of parts, slightly different take on the deal. The XJ version of Le Branca. Inside, Endura Trans, Mofo 12mm mount, Mofo Nano Bam XL, Texoma RC drive shaft extension, Texoma RC links upper, lower, front, and rear, 53mm front, 78mm high kink rear. Mias ISOs front, Mias ISO rear. As you see, high clearance fronts, high kink rears with extension. You see why. with that dude. Endura servo. Endura 40mm big bore shocks. Endura rock light kit. Haha! Endura rock lights in the back. Endura 40mm trailing arm style up through the bed. Yes. Look at that. Sergeant D. Slightly different take. Headlight controller. Rock light controller. Lots of wires. This thing's got shit all in it. But overall, hard body legal. Hard body legal, out of the box. Angled skid. Badass hard body. Angled skid, badass hard body. Kits will be available soon. You got to get on the exlewis Etsy page when he announces their release. But like, cuz, really, bro.